In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your YouTube channel to Discord. So when you're on Discord, people will be able to see your channel linked. They can click on it and access it. So what you need to do is go to Discord in the bottom left-hand corner and click on user settings. Once you're in settings, head over to connections. And then if you're in streamer mode, just go out of that. So we're going to connections, and then you'll see all of these icons here. We can click on view more. And then we can find the YouTube icon, which will be in the bottom right. Once you've clicked on that, it will take you to your account, where you can then go ahead and click on the account you want to connect. Then you can choose your account. So I'm going to choose the KnowledgeBase account. We can then select all, click continue. And there you go. You've now connected your account in a second. If we now go back to Discord, you can see we've got the YouTube connected. We can then choose to display it or not on our profile. Here it is on our profile under connections, and people can click on this and view our account.